bringing a massive concert soundstage to backyard barbecues, tailgates, or impromptu living room dance parties without wrestling with awkward, oversized sound systems usually means compromising on audio punch or deep bass response. The JBL PartyBox Encore Essential 2 portable speaker redefines the category by packing heavy-duty acoustic power, smart real-time audio tuning, and an immersive light show into a compact, grab-and-go cabinet. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its AI sound boost architecture, paired with the robust 100W RMS output, driven by a punchy 5.25-inch woofer and dual 0.75-inch dome tweeters. The system delivers rich, room-filling sound with deep low-end resonance and pristine highs. Unlike legacy speakers that distort or compress dynamically at maximum volume, AI Sound Boost analyzes the incoming audio signal in real time to optimize acoustic output, ensuring your music stays remarkably crisp and distortion-free even when pushed to the limit. Performance and versatility reach an all-new level for entertainers and musicians alike. The speaker features dedicated wired mic and guitar inputs, transforming any gathering into a live karaoke night or jam session. Modern connectivity is anchored by Bluetooth 5.4 for ultra-stable streaming, alongside Auracast stereo linking, which lets you wirelessly pair two speakers for a true stereo soundstage, or scale up by connecting multiple compatible JBL Party speakers. Visual immersion is driven by a built-in dynamic light show that pulses and syncs automatically to the beat of your tracks. Practicality defines everyday ownership through robust build quality and longevity. The internal rechargeable battery packs up to 15 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, keeping the music going from sunset to sunrise. Wrapped in an IPX4 splash-proof design featuring a sturdy integrated handle and eco-conscious post-consumer recycled plastics, it handles poolside splashes and outdoor weather with ease. Comprehensive control, including custom EQ tuning, light pattern adjustments, and sound effects, is managed effortlessly right from the JBL PartyBox app on your phone. Things to consider before you buy, because it packs a high-output amplifier, large acoustic drivers, and a substantial battery into a solid housing. It weighs roughly 13.7 pounds, 6.2 kilograms, making it easily portable via its top handle, though slightly heavier than standard backpack-sized Bluetooth speakers. Additionally, while it includes inputs for a microphone and guitar, a microphone is sold separately if you plan to dive straight into karaoke out of the box. So who is this really for? This speaker is an absolute home run for social hosts, music lovers, and aspiring performers who want concert-grade volume, live instrument inputs, and an all-in-one party setup that can move effortlessly between indoor and outdoor spaces. If you are looking for an ultralight, pocket-sized speaker strictly for casual background listening while hiking or commuting, a smaller ultra-portable waterproof option will better match your lifestyle. Is it worth the money? If you value chest-thumping bass, distortion-free AI-optimized volume, all-day battery life, and a complete light and sound party ecosystem in a rugged, portable package, it is an elite investment for your entertainment gear. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access.